Hello everyone, this is Anna. Welcome to our new video. Previously, we saw how we can create our own custom chatbot using the bot builder. In this video, we are going to explore the condition action, so let's go over what we are going to do. First, we'll learn the basics of condition action. Exploring real-world applications like guide users based on location or deliver personalized product recommendations. So, let's start the tutorial where we are going to use condition action to create dynamic conversation. Initially, let's create a basic bot by clicking the Create button and adding a title with designation. We are going to add a new node and drag it to the top. After that, let's give a relevant name to the node. Then let's add a condition action to tailor user experiences based on their country. In a single action, you can add multiple conditions either by clicking the plus or add button. If you click the plus button, you can add multiple rules in a single condition block and remove them by pressing the delete icon. Also, if you want, you can add multiple question blocks by clicking the add button. You can select between two logical operators to be applied to use between rules or condition blocks. And if you click the add button at the bottom of the action, a new condition will be added. Let's create a condition which will guide visitors to different flow based on location. First, we are going to select the country attribute from the list. Then we have chosen a rule according to our needs and added a value we want to check, which is United States of America. After that, we are going to select the node we want to trigger from the drop-down menu. In the second condition, we are going to use same attribute but different value. If the first condition fails, second condition will be triggered, and even if the second condition doesn't match, else node will be triggered. You can keep the else node blank, but keep in mind that if there is no other action, the chatbot won't show anything. Now let's save the bot and test it out. We have used a VPN to test if our condition action triggers. When we connect to a USA server, a node with Spanish and English will be triggered. If we connect with a Singapore server, a node with Chinese and English will be triggered. That is how you can use conditions to direct your visitors to different paths. For the next use case, we are going to import the product recommendation template. In this part, our goal is to take the visitor to the previous path of the chatbot he interacted last. Similar to this, you can create a bot where it will recommend products based on visitors' selection. Let's add a new node, drag it to the top and rename it. In this new node, we are going to add a condition to check if the visitor had given his name previously. We used hash as the expected value because if the visitor didn't give his name, the name attribute will have a specific ID with hashtag in front. After setting the condition, we are going to select the jump to a node which will be triggered if the condition is fulfilled, along with the else node when the condition fails. Next, we are going to set up the attribute system for each button and quick reply action to track the visitor's interaction. We are going to assign a value to each button to be saved in a specific attribute. The value will help you understand which button was clicked by the visitor. This will help you understand your chatbot lead data in RevChat contacts. Then we are going to set up the repeat customer node, which will be triggered if the visitor had provided his or her name previously when he interacted with the chatbot. We are going to use the condition action to check whether the visitor selected the women's collection or the kids' collection in the past. If the visitor selected between either women's collection or kids' collection, the bot will take the visitor to that specific node to recommend those products. Similarly, you can also create bot that recommend other products when a visitor selects one for purchase. Let's test the bot to check whether our bot will trigger. First, let's interact with the bot and select women's collection under fashion. Now if we end the conversation and start again, chatbot will see that I have provided my name earlier and selected women's collection. Therefore, without asking my name for the second time, he will take me to the same node. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to learn how to train your chatbot, you can find the link in the description below.